Hello everyone. So I'm going to show you how we make a railing in just a few seconds. For this, we're going to use a tool called FaceMaker, which can be installed in your SketchUp and downloaded here in the description. The first thing we need to do is offset the slab where we want to make the railing so that it's not too close to the edge of the slabs. So I'll use the shortcut F and I'll make an internal offset of 10 centimeters. I double click inside this area, this face, and with Shift, keeping it held down, I click once more. With this, I'll have only the edges selected. They will be in blue. You can only have edges selected, and then I'll choose the desired railing option, click on it, and choose the height. For example, I want 1 meter, so 1 and OK. It will then calculate in order to create then my railing. The message that appears is it warning that the offset line will be hidden. Just click OK. The big problem with this tool is that the parts of the railing will be separate, and it's important that they be grouped to be textured later. So, on the slab, I'll go ahead and triple click and then right click to choose Make Group. Next, I'll use the selection window to select all of my slab parts, and while holding down the Shift key, I'll click to release the slab, which means that now only the railing is selected. Right-click on any part of the railing. I'll also do a Make Group, and in the Materials tab, I can choose the desired color and click. With this, we have then a railing in a few seconds and also already with a color. I hope you guys liked it, and we'll see you then in the next videos.